Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Summer is here. We all love cool drinks. Let's try to make tomato juice. For tomato juice, I have taken 7 to 8 tomatoes. Take a bowl of water, put crystal salt and immerse the tomatoes for 15 minutes. To decorate the cup, take 2 tablespoons of sugar and half lemon. Dip the cup in lime juice and dip it in sugar. Our cups are decorated beautifully. Keep the cups in the fridge for 10 minutes. Tomatoes are fresh now. Cut the tomatoes. In a mixer jar, put 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger and add the tomatoes. Add 3/4 cup of sugar. You can adjust the sugar according to your taste. Add half spoon of salt. Blend it well. Add 1 cup of water. Strain the juice. Squeeze half lemon. Our tomato juice is ready. Put 2 to 3 ice cubes in a cup and pour the juice. Drink it. Decorate with few mint leaves. 1 piece of sliced lemon.